Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate music theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Messenger application, and then you simply need to select any conversation and click on this icon in the top right. From here you need to click on theme and you need to select the music theme, so that you need to scroll down. Here is music, you simply need to select that and select again. So now you can see that music theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.